Lani.
Hello, Prince.
Okay. This morning we're going to study for you to understand the lesson books well. Okay, what letter is this, Prince? This is letter U. What about this? Okay, sit properly, Prince. You sit properly. Come on. Okay, what about this? Letter A. This one. Letter E. What about this? Letter O. This one. What letter is this? Z. And letter B. What about this one? Okay, Prince. Here, what about this? Letter X.
Letter B.
B.
Letter W.
Very good.
Letter Y.
Letter Y.
Letter F. Letter T. Letter G.
G.
Letter S.
Very good.
Letter H.
Letter H.
Letter R. Letter J. Letter K. Letter N.
M.
Letter
Very
P.
good.
Letter Q.
This is letter
U.
Okay, this time I want you to stand and then let us name the letter sounds on the board. Come on. Okay. Here.
Sa pilak. Ano ba? No.
Okay. What is the sound of A?
A.
Very good. What about B?
B.
This one.
G. E. G. E. J. E. O. E.
Face niya, sensei. What's the sound of U?
U.
Again.
W.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, sing. Ang galing-galing ko. Ang galing-galing ko. Chicken. Again. Ang galing-galing ko. Ang galing-galing ko. Chicken. Another. You. Okay. Like that. Okay. Ang galing-galing ko. Ang galing-galing ko. Chicken. Okay, this time we're going to write. Okay, you take your seat and then you will write in your notebook. Come on. Okay, where's your pencil? You get your bag there. Come on. Get your bag. Prince. Come. Okay, get your bag. Tingnan mo siya. Get your bag and then get your pencil. Faster, Prince. Get your pencil.
You should know how to get your things, Prince. Where is it? No, no pencil, sensei.
Why you don't have
There, oh.
Okay, here. You tell Tita to get your to bring a pencil tomorrow, okay?
30 minutes daw ito. Ah, grabe ka to.
Okay,
Na,
stop na yan
na.
kasi later na naman. Pag-write niya. Where,
Ano
you don't have an eraser.
Yan na naman yun.
Come on. Mag-left na.